Yeah, yo. Me say, who Jah bless? No man curse. Thank God. We pass the rest. Yo, my people. You don't know, so this a artist again, my people. And my people, you hear me have it forward and do a next video about this. You understand? Because this been years in the making, you know. It's been a long time. You understand? Them cancel bounty killer visa. Maybe 120 year or something like that. You know? Or close to that. But as me I say the people, it's a joy when we wake up this morning and get the news. You know? Say bounty killer has been granted back his UK visa. You understand my people? Anybody not feel good for bounty killer, a devil. Me not lie about that because bounty killer do so much for the youth them, so much for dancehall. All him enemy them right now supposed to happy for him. You know see it. Me no know about nobody else, but me overjoy, over happy. You understand? As me say, this come like a win, me win the lotto. You understand me people? Yes man, me feel good. You understand? Bounty killer them a legend. You understand? Bounty them a legend. You understand? Bounty deserve every good thing we come to him right now. Because I'm work feet. You understand me people? Yes man. Yes man. Bounty killer them a living legend. Bounty killer them a national hero and all them thing. They understand? So him deserve everything. Every good thing right now. You understand? So we say, we give thanks to what happen right now. You understand? Yes, man. They don't know say artists is my people that brand new update. You understand? I will say blessing on top of blessing, man. It's a good look. Good news for your bounty killer get back in visa. You understand? Yeah, man.